How do Instagram hashtags work? Maybe you're hearing about this, you're seeing people use hashtags on Instagram to grow a following, to build a business, a brand, and you're wondering how in the world does it actually work? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you not only exactly how it works step by step, but some of the best practices for hashtags to get the most exposure, followers, and results for your life today. So stay tuned. Hey, my name's Garrett Barry, and on this channel I help entrepreneurs get more leads and sales on social media. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So the first thing is how hashtags work. What exactly are they? Well, first off, if you've ever seen a pound sign, this is actually the symbol that signifies that it's a hashtag. Now, just like Twitter and other social media accounts, Instagram allows you to insert a pound sign followed by a word or a group of words without any spaces, and this will actually create the hashtag. Now, what this hashtag actually does is it categorizes photos and videos on Instagram. So if you imagine Instagram as one big massive photo and video gallery, Instagram has to know where exactly to place all that content so the people that like certain topics are finding certain content and matching them up. And the way they do that is by using hashtags. So when you insert a hashtag in your caption in the first comment of one of your Instagram posts, now you're categorizing it in that folder, if you will, on Instagram. So whenever someone searches that specific word at the top of the search bar on Instagram, they potentially can find your post depending on how much engagement you get. So one of the very first things you can start doing to use hashtags for your Instagram is the next post, picture, video that you post on your Instagram, go ahead and insert the pound sign followed by a couple words that describe what scene, image, or video you're about to post. And what you're going to find is it's going to start to show up in those specific searches for that hashtag, allowing a lot more people to discover you that share similar interests. So this is very, very powerful. Now, there's all these different types of hashtags you can actually start to use. One of the hashtag types is called branded hashtags. Now, branded hashtags is basically where you create a hashtag that's unique to your own person, to your own business or company. Now, when you use this branded hashtag in your photos and videos, what's going to happen is your followers or fans are going to start seeing that hashtag, and the ones that really love your content and love your page may even start to use that hashtag, your branded hashtag, in their comments. Now, once you start doing this, you're going to allow people to actually search directly for your product, service, business, or brand and find with a lot of posts just about you. Okay, so this is very powerful. So the next thing I want to start to do is think about finding related hashtags. I mean hashtags that are related to the topic of your page. Now, you want to have a topic around your page, whether this is traveling, whether this is makeup, whether this is health and fitness. You want to create a main topic because this is going to allow people to identify you, come to follow you, and you'll have a much stronger fan base rather than trying to get everyone to like you. So you want to start to think, what are some of the topics around this picture or video, and how can I find words that describe that? Then simply go to the top of the Instagram search bar and type a pound sign followed by a word that describes what it is you're posting about. Then simply make a list of some of those keywords that have dropped down, and you can sprinkle these in your caption or in the first comment to start to get a lot of exposure starting today. Now, the question you may be asking yourself is, okay, this is incredible, but when do I actually use hashtags? And the answer to that is as much as possible. You don't obviously want to stuff in tons and tons of hashtags, through different comments. You don't want to make it look unprofessional. And a lot of people don't realize this. When you do an Instagram story and you use a hashtag in that will actually help it identify with that hashtag in the search function. So again, this is a very powerful way to insert more hashtags, because the more hashtags you use, the more people that will actually be able to find you, and the more potential leads, sales, or followers you can start to look forward to. So now you know exactly how Instagram hashtags work, but you may be wondering, okay, this is incredible. I'm going to know how to get people coming to my profile, but how do I actually turn those people into leads and into sales and into money into my bank account? Well, I've actually put together a totally free video training series on Instagram revealing my secret strategies to generating over 26,000 followers and up to 5 sales a day. So go ahead, click the button below and get access to that before it goes away. So if you like this video, be sure to click the like button below, share this with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Also, I'd love to hear your feedback. Comment below, what were your thoughts on this video? Did this help you? And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.